Today, I am reviewing the Celestron 22452 StarSense Explorer Newtonian Reflector Telescope. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ Newtonian Reflector Telescope is an innovative and user-friendly option that brings the wonders of the night sky within easy reach, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been casually stargazing for years. What sets this telescope apart from many others in its category is its integration of patented StarSense technology with a smartphone app, transforming your phone into a powerful celestial navigation system. Instead of fumbling with star charts or struggling to identify constellations, all you have to do is dock your phone into the included holder, launch the StarSense Explorer app, and let it guide you. The app uses your phone's camera and advanced star recognition algorithms to determine exactly where your telescope is pointed, then shows you a curated list of the best celestial objects to observe based on your specific time and location. This is a true game changer for anyone who might feel intimidated by traditional telescopes. The Tonight's Best feature means you don't have to guess what's worth looking at. You'll see a tailored list of planets, bright nebulae, galaxies, and star clusters that are currently visible. From a city location, you can still enjoy crisp views of the Moon, Jupiter, Saturn, and other bright objects, while a trip to a dark sky location will open up even more breathtaking deep sky wonders. The app even gives you step-by-step arrow directions on the screen to guide your movements. You simply move the telescope until the on-screen bullseye turns green, and just like that, your target is perfectly centered in the eyepiece. The LT114AZ comes equipped with a 114mm Newtonian reflector optical tube, offering a generous 4.5 inches of aperture. This means it gathers enough light to deliver bright, detailed images of lunar craters, Saturn's rings, Jupiter's cloud bands, and even the faint glow of distant galaxies like Andromeda or the intricate details of the Orion Nebula. High-reflectivity coatings on the optics ensure that the images are sharp and vivid, with good contrast and clarity, making your viewing sessions truly immersive. The mount design is a simple yet effective manual altazimuth style, perfect for beginners because it moves intuitively up, down, left, and right. It also includes an altitude slow-motion adjustment with a sliding rod, allowing you to make fine, precise movements without overshooting your target. This feature is particularly helpful when you're trying to keep a planet or star in view as the Earth rotates. The included height-adjustable tripod provides stability and adaptability for observers of different heights, whether you're setting it up for a child or using it yourself. Celestron includes thoughtful accessories to get you started right away. In the box, you'll find two eyepieces, a 2x Barlow lens to double the magnification of any eyepiece you use, and of course, the smartphone dock for the StarSense Explorer system. With these included accessories, you can vary your magnification to suit whatever you're observing, whether it's a wide field view of a star cluster or a closer look at the details on the lunar surface. The setup process is refreshingly straightforward. No complicated alignment procedures or assembly headaches. You can go from opening the box to observing the Moon in just minutes. One of the biggest advantages of the StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is that it makes astronomy approachable without sacrificing the thrill of discovery. You still get the hands-on feel of manually moving and aiming your telescope, but with the added confidence of knowing exactly what you're looking at and how to find it. This blend of guidance and manual control makes it an excellent educational tool for families and a rewarding hobby for individuals. Durability and support are also key strengths here. Celestron is one of the most respected names in amateur astronomy, with over 6 decades of experience since their founding in California in 1960. This telescope is backed by their 2-year warranty and unlimited access to US-based technical support, so you can buy with peace of mind knowing help is available if you need it. In actual use, the combination of the smartphone-guided navigation and the quality optics makes for a seamless and enjoyable stargazing experience. Imagine pointing your telescope to the sky, following simple on-screen directions, and suddenly seeing Saturn's rings or the craters of the Moon in vivid detail. There's something magical about that moment, and the StarSense Explorer LT114AZ makes it accessible to anyone. Whether you're introducing a child to the night sky, rekindling your own interest in astronomy, or simply looking for a telescope that makes finding objects easy and rewarding, this model delivers on every front. In summary, the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is more than just a telescope. It's a complete guided tour of the universe in a box. With its smartphone-powered navigation, curated observing suggestions, smooth and intuitive mount, and capable 114mm optics, it's designed to inspire and educate while keeping things simple. It's portable, easy to use, and backed by one of the best names in the business. If you want to spend more time enjoying the wonders of the night sky and less time searching for them, this telescope is an outstanding choice.